Hi, this is Mitch with Fidelity Manufacturing. I'm here at our Plant 2 in Ocala, Florida, just off I-75. We've recently started construction at our Plant 2, so I just want to thank all of our customers for choosing Fidelity and putting their trust in us. We're excited to show you the construction here at Plant 2. The expansion is going to allow us to increase capacity at Plant 2 to keep up with the growing demand. We're so excited because after several months of engineering, planning, and approvals, we're finally under construction, and the completed project will be finished in June. While we're under construction at Plant 2, we have engineered plans started for Plant 1, and we'll be soon starting, as soon as we're finished here, a 12-acre expansion at Plant 1.